case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, the Supreme Court of America found itself at the center of a landmark case examining whether campaign contributions to a judge could constitute bias, thereby violating the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. The case involved Hugh Caperton and his companies against the Massey Coal Co, led by CEO Blankenship. Back in 2002, a West Virginia jury had found Massey liable for fraudulent misrepresentation and tortious interference with contractual relations in a case lodged by Caperton. Massey was ordered to pay $50 million in damages. However, during the appeal process, circumstances raised questions over potential judicial bias. The pivotal point of the case came when, amidst the 2004 judicial elections, the coal company CEO had financially supported an attorney vying to replace a justice on the court that was to consider Massey's appeal. Despite the significant financial backing from Blankenship to the new justice, the court heard Massey's appeal, reversing the $50 million damages verdict by an 8-2 vote. The circumstances sparked discussions around the necessity of recusal and how campaign contributions could impact judicial impartiality. The Supreme Court of Appeals of West Virginia, after hearing the case under this light, made a significant ruling which centered on due process. The court ruled that the campaign contributions given by Blankenship to the elected judge's campaign had created an intolerable risk of bias. Despite being the recipient of the largest contribution from the CEO, the judge had not recused himself, with due process demanding that any lingering possibility of actual bias be eliminated. The judge was deemed unfit to preside over this case, prompting the case's return for further proceedings under a different judge. The intricacies of this case underscored the factors impacting the probability of bias, such as the amount at issue, type of relief sought, and level of contribution, which lacked clear guidance for future references and questioned the constitutional implications of external campaign contributions in judicial proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.